from Mrs. Public School, and today we will continue the exercise part which are there in your book of motion chapter in class 9 physics. So I am going to give you the answers of the related and questions which are there in your book, and you are going to tabulate it in your copies. And in the summer vacation you need to go through the portfolio which already has been given by Shreya madam to you. All the 3 subject portfolio you need to draw it for your project work that already been given to by Shreya madam, who is your biology teacher, and chemistry, biology and physics, all the 3 portfolios should be ready with your particular project, and you have to submit it on 17th and 18th of June, possibly in the school itself. So let us do this thing. As I have already told you about this speedometer, odometer, this particular questions are already been over, and we are on 103 page number, in which it is being given that when will you say a body is in a uniform motion and non-uniform motion, non-uniform acceleration. You already know it very well. When the acceleration is there, uniform acceleration is there, that is the motion of a free falling body is an example of a uniform accelerated motion, and on the other hand, object can travel in a non-uniform acceleration if its velocity at a non-uniform rate, velocity changes from a non-uniform rate, that is what we call non-uniform motion. A bus decreases its speed from 80 to 60 km per hour in 5 seconds. Find the acceleration of the bus. So A is equals to V minus U by T. That substitution formula you can substitute and you can write down the answer. Now a train starting from a railway station moves with a uniform acceleration, attains a speed of 40 kilometers per hour in 10 minutes. Find its acceleration. So you can write down the acceleration with this particular formula, that is A equal to V minus U by T. Okay. So both you have starting moving with uniform acceleration, that is 40 kilometers per hour acceleration is given below, and 10 minutes, in 10 minutes means the time has already been given to you. Okay, find its acceleration. You need to find its acceleration. Uniform acceleration is already been given. Clear? Then graphical representation I have already taken. Now what is the nature of the distance time graph for the uniform and non-uniform motion of the object? It has already been given, graph particle, you can draw it, answer it. Now how can you say about the motion of an object whose distance time graph is a straight line parallel to the time axis? From the graph you can say, this answer I am giving it. What can you say about the motion of an object if its speed time graph is a straight line graph parallel to the time axis? This also you can get it from the book itself. And what is the quantity which is measured by the area occupied below the velocity time graph? Okay, velocity time graph area occupied below, that is you can say in 2 values, that is one is the triangle and another is the rectangle. Okay, now the bus traveling at 109 page questions. The bus starting from rest moves in a uniform acceleration from 0. meter per second in 2 meter. Find the speed acquired and the distance travelled. Okay, so distance travelled, S is equals to ut plus half at square, that you can find it out. Okay, and the speed acquired, that is speed you can find it out from any of the required value. Okay, fine. Then a train is travelling at a speed of 90 km per hour. Brakes are applied to as the produce a uniform acceleration of minus 0.5 meter per second. Find how the train will go, move, and it brought to rest. Okay, acceleration is being given here. Speed is also given here. S is equals to ut plus half at square. That you can find it out, or any 2 formulas. 2as is equals to v square minus u square, and u is equals to v is equals to u plus at. Okay, given all the values, you just note it down first and then you start doing the answers from the formula. Now the trolley while going down on inclined plane has an acceleration of 2 centimeters and velocity is being given. Acceleration and velocity is being given to you, so you can take the value of this, that is v equal to u plus at. Okay. Now racing car has a uniform acceleration of 4 meter per second, what distance will it cover it 10 seconds after start. So acceleration is being given, distance is being given. So s is equals to ut plus half at square, that you can define it. The stone is thrown is a vertically upward direction and a velocity of 5 centimeters. The acceleration of the stone in the motion is given. Then the downward direction, what will be the height attained by the stone, how much will be the time taken at reach there. So the velocity, this thing, that is 2as is equals to v square minus u square, that particular value you can substitute it out and find it out. If it is not coming by that, use this for your formula, that is v equal to au plus at. Okay, then first you need to find it out whether what kind of formula is being given here. So exercise portion, all you have to do it in your copy, 112 to 113 page number questions. All you have to note it down. It's a holiday homework for you, and including your portfolio questions. So portfolio you ready, make it ready, and your exercise also make it ready. And if you have any comment, please comment in the comment section of this particular video. And if you have any queries, you can directly consult me in your WhatsApp number, in our WhatsApp number. And if you have any issues related to this particular video, comment it.